Hi, it's Joanne Danckwardt here from One Agency, JD Property Agents. I thought I'd cover today smoke alarms for landlords and what the responsibilities are. A lot of people don't realise what the responsibilities are, and so it is really good to have a quick chat with you about that. So smoke alarms, we had a lot of changes around smoke alarms in March this year, and it is a responsibility of the landlords to make sure that the smoke alarms work. The best way to do that is through a third-party supplier. We actually use Landlord Compliance and find them to be extremely good. And what that provides for you is peace of mind, because they're actually taking the responsibility of making sure that your smoke alarm is working, that it is compliant with the legislation. It's an annual fee of around $99 thereabouts, and it's peace of mind to pay that money and know that your responsibility is really transferred to that third party company. They will normally do it annually, but the most important thing to know is if you do have a change of tenancy, that it is checked again. Now, I do know with that particular third party supplier, they will do that and it will be covered under that once a year annual fee of $99. So like I said, it's money well spent. I hope that that tip has helped you today. Reach out to me if you have any questions. My number is 0426 264 771, and I look forward to helping you in the future. Bye for now.